What if I told you, the first person to enter Jannah will not be a king, not the richest person, and not someone famous. Instead, it will be someone who lived a very simple life, and the story of how he enters Jannah will shock many people. Every Muslim dreams of entering Jannah, a place where there is no pain, no sadness, and no death, a place of eternal peace and happiness. But have you ever wondered, who will be the first person to enter paradise? The answer was given to us by the Prophet in an authentic hadith, and the story carries a powerful lesson for every Muslim. The Prophet said that he himself will be the first person to enter Jannah. On the day of judgment, when everything is decided, the Prophet will arrive at the gates of paradise. He will knock on the gate. The angel guarding Jannah will ask, "Who is it?" The Prophet will reply, "Muhammad." And the angel will say something incredible. He will say, "I was commanded not to open the gates of Jannah for anyone before you." And at that moment, the gates of paradise will open for the messenger of Allah. But what about the first person from the Muslim Ummah to enter Jannah? The Prophet also described this person, and the answer might surprise many people. Among his followers, the first to enter Jannah will be from the poor believers. People who did not have wealth. People who were not powerful. People who were not famous. But they had something far more valuable. They had patience, they had sincerity, and they trusted Allah through every hardship in their lives. The Prophet explained something very deep about the Day of Judgment. The wealthy will be delayed. Why? Because they will be questioned about their wealth, how they earned it, how they spent it, and what they did with it. But the poor believers will have less to answer for. Their patience in this life will raise their status in the next, and many of them will enter Jannah earlier. This teaches us an important lesson. In the eyes of Allah, status does not matter, money does not matter, fame does not matter. What truly matters is faith, sincerity, and patience. Many people in this world chase success, fame, and wealth, but the real success is something completely different. The real success is hearing these words on the Day of Judgment: enter paradise in peace. Jannah is a place where believers will live forever. Rivers flow beneath beautiful gardens. There is no sadness, no sickness, no fear, only happiness and peace forever. So think about this, right now. Every action you do is bringing you closer to one of two destinations: Jannah or Jahannam. The first people to enter paradise will not be the most famous. They will be the most sincere, the ones who prayed when nobody was watching, the ones who remained patient during hardship, the ones who remembered Allah in their daily lives. So the real question is, which path are we choosing today? If you want more powerful Islamic reminders like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video so others can also remember the true goal of life. Because the ultimate success is entering Jannah.